I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to disable the offline play feature on your PS5 console. Step 1. Navigate to your PlayStation 5 home screen and then click Settings. Step 2. Click Users and Accounts in the Settings menu. The associated screen opens. Step 3. Click Other in the list of options on the left side of the screen. Step 4. Select Console Sharing and Offline Play in the menu on the right side of the screen. The next screen lets you know that if you move forward with disabling the offline play feature on your PS5, then anyone who uses this console won't be able to play your games and access your media. Step 5. Click Disable. The next screen lets you know that you've successfully disabled console sharing and offline play on your PlayStation 5. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.